Hi everyone, welcome to Math Kitchen. This video, we are going to talk about equation. In this video, we are going to cover the rule of equation and how to solve some one-step equations. Now let's have a look at this. Equation is like a balance. If we put 3 apples in left-hand side, can you keep balance if you have only 2 apples in right-hand side? No, you can't. That's why you have to plus one more apple, plus 1. In this case, we make them equal to each other. If you place another 2 more apples in left-hand side, you must put same amount of apple in right-hand side to make this equation equal. That's the basic rule of equation. Whatever you do, you need to make them equal to each other. Another example, in here you can see 2 apples, 2. And in right-hand side, you have 1 apple and plus another apple. It's still 2. They are same. Now, if we say in left-hand side, we time 2. That means we put 2 more apple in here. 2 apple times 2 is 4 apple. So how about right-hand side? Same thing. Because left-hand side, you time the 2. Right-hand side, you must do the same operation to time 2 apples. Make it 4 equal to each other. Another example, 6 plus x equal to 11. Let's solve the value of x. What is x? X is a variable to indicate the unknown number. Now let's see, we need to remove 6 around unknown number x. How can we remove from 6 to 0? Because this is plus 6. That's why we need to minus 6 to make it 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. And the positive x, we didn't do anything with this positive x. So it's still in there, remains same. And now let's see right-hand side. We must do the same operation just as same as left-hand side. That's minus 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. So in this case, x equal to 5. You can remove 5 back to this variable. Let's see if it's satisfied. All right, 6 plus 5, just write equal to 11. Yes, checked out. Now let's talk about multiplication. In this case, we have 2x equal to 10. Here, I must indicate. You can't see any operation sign between 2 and x. So that's why this is multiplication. Multiplication is the only operation sign you can omit it in many cases. So now let's solve this. 2 times x equal to 10. We need to cancel 2. So we divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 cancelled equal to 1. So that's why 1x is just x equal to right-hand side. Right-hand side, because left-hand side you divide by 2. That's why right-hand side you must do the same operation, divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, simplify. That's 5. Done. And you can check your answer. Simply replace 5 back to this variety x. 5. Yeah. 2 times 5 equal to 10. Checked. Now let's have a look at another case. X times 4 equal to 10. So we need to cancel 4 by divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Now x times 1 is still x. Equal to right-hand side. Must do the same thing, divided by 4. And 10 simplify with 4. Both of them divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. It's the end of simplify. The answer is just 5 over 2. If you want to, you can do decimal point. That's 2.5. It's same. Both of answer are correct. That's how we solve multiplication equation. Now let's see subtraction equation. X minus 6 equal to 8. How can we solve that? Same rule. Because we see minus 6, how can we make it become 0? Minus 6, simply plus 6 to make it 0. So x minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. The x, we didn't do anything with x, so that's why it still remains same, x. And equal to the right hand side, because left hand side you plus 6. That's why in right hand side you need to do the same operation, plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. In this case, the answer is x equal to 14. You can simply replace 14 back to the question to check your answer. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Checked. Now let's see this equation. A minus x equal to 6. You have different way to solve this equation. Let's see. First solution. You can use this. We try to remove 8 by minus a. So positive a minus a equal to 0. And minus x, in here, we didn't do anything with minus x yet, so that's why we keep it same, minus x. Now, right hand side, we need to do the same operation like left hand side, minus a. 6 minus a is negative 2. So far, you can see the answer is negative x equal to negative 2. Now, you need to time negative 1 in both sides. As we say, we need to have same operation in both sides. The left hand side, minus x times minus 1 equal to positive x. And right hand side, negative 2 times negative 1 equal to positive 2. Now, this is the answer. That's the first solution. Now let's have a look at the second solution to do the same question. A minus x. We can simply cancel the x as well. Now, let's see. This is minus x. You can simply plus x. Minus x plus x is equal to 0. And 8 in here, we didn't do anything with a yet, so that's why it's same. 8 plus 0 or minus 0, it's basically same. Now, in the right hand side, because left hand side, you plus x. That's why right hand side, you need to do the same, plus x. So in this case, 6 plus x, it becomes 6 plus x. Now, you need to remove the x. That's plus x. You simply minus x to make it 0. So it's 0 plus x. X remains same because you didn't do anything with x. In here, it's same. A plus 0 is still a. So that's why, in this case, a equal to x. Or you can swap them, x equal to a. That's the answer. You can tell me which way is easier. But I would suggest solution 2 because it looks less steps. Subtraction, it will be more complicated than addition. Now let's have a look division. Let's see first one, x divided by 5 equal to 10. Now the thing is, how can we cancel 5? Alright, divided by 5, we can simply time 5 to cancel this 5. So x divided by 5 and times 5 again, it's like cancelled. So the answer in left-hand side is x. And because left-hand side, you times 5, that's why right-hand side, you must do the same things. 10 times 5 is 50. So this is the answer. Of course, you can check your answer by simply move 50 back to the variable x. Now in here, if you put down 50, 50 divided by 5 is 10. Your answer checked. Now let's see in this case, x is denominator. Now how can we cancel the denominator x? We can simply time x. Now they cancelled. That's why 50 are only left in left-hand side. Now, because left-hand side, you time the x. That's why right-hand side, you must do the same thing, time the same number, x. So 10 times x is just 10x. Now, you can see there's a 10 around the x. We need to remove this 10. Simply divide by 10. Now, 10x divided by 10. 10 has been cancelled. Now, x is the only left over. Now, because right-hand side, you divide by 10. That's why left-hand side, you must do the same thing, divide by 10. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Now, this is your answer. You can check your answer by putting your answer back to the variable x in here, 5. Now let's see, 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. Checked. This is the end. Now let's summarize. We learned addition. Addition, it doesn't matter x in front or x in back. If x equal to 4, so it's just like 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4. It's same, just equal to 6. And the same as multiplication, it doesn't matter x position. Like for example, 3 times 6 just equal to 6 times 3 equal to 18. It's same. What you need to be mindful is subtraction and division. It depends on the position of x, where it's located. And division, same. X on the top as numerator or x at the bottom as denominator, a different case. Now that's the end of video. Next video, I'm going to talk about the other way to solve equation. It will be simple and quicker. Thanks for watching. Bye.